Bobcat T250, 5,780 hours, quick attach handles, auxiliary hydraulics with third valve. There's your tracks, there's in reference to a finger. Undercarriage, it looks good. Engine looks good. Injection pump, alternator, not laying with oil, starter. Worst things are muffler right there, and it's just the tip. Actually, the muffler itself isn't in bad shape. And then the seat has a few cracks in it, which are a $100 seat cushion. And it used to be a cab unit. Someone took the inner liner out, but at least it does have the vent. If you wanted to put heat AC back in it, or heat, not AC. There you go. Bobcat T250.